In two corners of America, Lily and Sarah forged a bond as teens. Lily, a single mum in the Bronx, juggled raising Mia with her career as a psychologist. In sunny Florida, Sarah married for 30 years with 4 kids and battled depression. Despite their different lives, they remained inseparable. Distance didn't weaken their bond. They wrote letters, talked for hours, and visited when possible. Lily's trips to Florida were breaks for Sarah, moments to confide in her best friend over tea. During Sarah's toughest times, Lily's support was a lifeline. She listened, offering professional insight with a friend's care. Lily's encouragement helped Sarah through her darkest days, exploring coping strategies and finding solace in shared laughter and tears. Despite being miles apart, they celebrated each other's milestones. Lily cheered Mia's achievements from afar, while Sarah sent virtual hugs to Lily's office when Mia excelled. Their friendship taught resilience and strength, finding beauty in life's simple joys. Lily learned from Sarah's perseverance, while Sarah found comfort in Lily's understanding. Their bond bridged New York's bustle with Florida's tranquility. Through the years, Lily and Sarah grew together, navigating life's challenges with unwavering support and unbreakable bonds. Their story reminds us that true friendship transcends distance and circumstance. It's nurtured by empathy, sustained by love.